This kind of stuff is crystal clear. Yeah, the probabilities increase dramatically of this playing out when certain factors start coming together. You can take advantage of these situations in the market or these opportunities consistently. When these things appear, then you have to start paying attention. Hello, technical analysis fans. This is Coach Victor here at Safehouse, and today I want to cover the insane, crazy move to the downside on Ethereum USD. Let's get cooking.
Before you continue, please pause the video and read this trade disclaimer. None of the information contained here is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes.
All right, here we have the Ethereum USD chart on Bybit, 15-minute time frame. So we're looking at the local time frames, and we can see that this morning, let's see, my time 3 a.m. So shortly after the new week or the trading session began, so to speak, in the new daily session, a very large move to the downside on Ethereum happened, which was like a crazy 9%. 9% in a 15-minute candle with a nice bounce off from that old weekly level. I mean, insane how good these are. Of another 3.8%, and now price is currently about 5.8% higher than that. So big fat drop to the downside, and now it's just kind of ranging in here. We can remove this so you can see it a little bit better. There you go. That was your weekly open, bam, the bounce, and now it's just ranging or stuck sideways. But, you know, the move already happened. So you're like, yeah, great. How am I supposed to profit from this? Well, here comes the interesting part. We were looking at this, specifically the possibility for a move like this. Actually, this was more than expected, so great, on Friday, because of something that we saw on the TPO profile. And this was being covered in detail during the market sit rep and also during the real-time updates on Discord during the day for the premium Vanguard section. So let me show you what we were talking about. You can see already here a neutral profile and another one here, and they are separated by this big fat yellow block of single prints. That means this is a double distribution day yesterday. Yeah, price spent a lot of time down here, and price spent a lot of volume up here. Yes, I did say that. Posting to Vanguard chat on Discord now. Thank you. That is the volume point of control up here, and this is the time point of control up here. What? Yes. That means price spent more time down here, but more volume up here was traded. That's a discrepancy. These should be the same. Like it the day before. Look at that. They're pretty much the same. Here, they're not the same. Oh, they're not the same. Volume, time. What does price do? Revisits time. So this is a TPO time price opportunity profile. In this case, on EXO charts, it is Ethereum USD. And this is the price action from Thursday, last Thursday, December 7th. Price went up very impulsively and left price inefficiencies behind, yeah, because it moved too fast, basically. That's how you can just make sense of that. So it leaves this mess behind, so to speak. And one of the key points is that it left a difference or a discrepancy between the time and the volume points of control. Now, if you're a bit confused about what this is, it's a double distribution pattern, or also called BART pattern from years ago, because it looks like Bart Simpson's head. Price goes up, spiky, choppy hair, and then boop, it gives everything back. Yeah, we have a public video about this as well, about the double distribution pattern or the BART pattern. So check that out to make sure that you understand the dynamics well. So we were already looking at this on Friday. And this means that on the following day, you start considering the possibility is, okay, if we put in a nice high, then we can begin to expect that price will revisit the other point of control. In this case, it was the time point of control at 2249 on Ethereum. So what happened then? Friday, it chilled up here. Okay, that's fine. It doesn't have to happen on the next day. Saturday and Sunday. So these 2 days are weekend days. Yes, crypto is open 24/7, I know, but the legacy markets are not. So this you can view as an extended Friday. In other words, 3 days for a lot of people to think, oh my God, we're going to the moon, let's long this. Yeah. Oh, let's buy the little dip here. Yeah, fair enough. It did touch the volume point of control from Thursday, so it's definitely a possibility for an intraday scalp that gave a move to the upside. Fair enough. However, the overall picture has not changed. So the thing to expect is still a reconciliation of this discrepancy between volume and time. So what happened on Monday? Bam! Not only did it reach that, but it also went much lower and cleaned up previous messes from days before. So it was even better than expected. Now, being aware of these formations appearing on the chart is very important, because even if let's say you're waiting for a very nice possible trade setup for your demo accounts, obviously no financial advice. This is only for educational purposes. But let's say you're looking for a nice possible trade setup and you're not sure and it's not very clear. This kind of stuff is crystal clear. Yeah? The probabilities increase dramatically of this playing out when certain factors start coming together. And that's what it's all about. That's what we keep teaching on the premium Vanguard section, to pay attention to several factors coming together, because when they do, that's when it's time to pull the trigger and not otherwise. Yeah, if only half of the stuff is there, well, then don't do anything. Protect your capital. Yeah, go do something else. Go do something useful with your time. Read a book or something, or go outside and get some fresh air. But when these things appear, then you have to start paying attention, because that's when things get real, and that's when you can really make the most out of it. So how do you make the most out of it? Well, my recommendation continues to be use a demo account if you're just getting started, to take your first steps and make sure that you can take advantage of these situations in the market, or these opportunities, on a regular basis and consistently. And once you prove to yourself that you can do that, then and only then you can make the decision, your own decision, to perhaps risk some disposable income, but definitely none of the money that you might need for your daily expenses. So that's a possibility of how to make best use of a possible double distribution pattern, as you can see here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more, then just join us at Safehouse. The link is in the description below. Give us a like, hit the subscribe button if you like what you see, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.
Elevate your mastery in trading. Join the Safehouse Vanguard today.